I've just found another bird stone. So this bird goddess stone, and I'm calling it a bird goddess stone, is obviously some sort of bird goddess. We've got a split stone across the road there, and it has got, and I've recorded that before, it's got a motif, and it's got a swan coming down from the sky, going downwards. Now that is a split stone, and that circle is quite intact actually. Just beyond that is one of the fish stones. So we're up at the Nic O Pendle. Behind me is Sabden. We've got the cows on a mound over there. I'm just recording this bird stone so those who know the area have got some idea of where it is. So it's quite an interesting stone. Has it been fashioned? Is that fashioned or is it natural? Again, smooth. Never noticed this before. That's quite a straight edge. You see, the setting of the sun, winter solstice, is there. The sun's over there now, it's about midday. Over there is the eagle split stone on that bump. Just where that bump is, just beyond that bump is roughly where the eagle chamber is. And then just across there, where you can see the grass on the top, that is the fish chamber 2, which is a lozenge chamber, fertility chamber. Fish stone 3 is just literally through this gate, up that path, and it's on your right hand side. Just looking at this mound now, you see, now that is a mound what the fish chamber 3 is on, but it's got more stones up the top. You can see how that's in a circle at the top there, but there's more around it. So has that got something to do with this? Is this the east stone to that mound? Is that the east stone? That's east. That's east over there. So where I'm stood here, that's east. This is west, which aligns with the split stone, the eagle split stone. And the sun, in summer, the sun would set there where the eagle split stone is. And where the lozenge chamber is, the fish chamber. See, that's south. That's south now, midday. Great Hambledon over there. Look how prominent that hill sticks out there. Very prominent. Very misty down in the valley over there. Anyway, I just thought I'd photograph that. What was, you know, there's still quite a few early stones amongst here, but I've not shown them. I can't show every stone, do you know what I mean? But certainly the bigger mounds, that could have potentially been a big mound there. Don't forget, this road was only put in the 1600s, just before they started hanging witches. The bird represents the goddess. Lots of goddess stones over there because I found them. In fact, that's where all the fish stones are, majority of them. So that mound goes up and it would have come down. But some pillock went and chopped into the mound to put the road through and took some of the stones away from the quarry. But it's basically intact, and then somebody's just come and stuck a farmer's track up there to get over the hill. There's lots of stones up there, but it's not been recorded. You know, Lancashire, it is absolutely full to brim with prehistoric stone what's not been recorded. There's so much history what's been missed. And don't forget, that was the southern gator of the mighty Pennines.